one, we're going to evaluate this function, f of x equals 4x minus x squared, and we're going to find f of x plus h minus f of x minus h, all divided by 2 times h. So let's get started. What you do is we want to do this first part here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down my function, but everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put parentheses. All right, and then we're going to dump in x plus h, this part right here. All right, now let's do the second part, minus, and I'm going to go ahead and do parentheses here and copy down my function again. But instead of x's, I put parentheses, and I'm going to dump in x minus h. All right, and close this up. And we're dividing everything by 2h. So basically, let's distribute the first part. We get 4x plus 4h minus, and I'm just going to use the a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared on that. So that's going to be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. All right, minus, you get 4x minus 4h. Okay, so let's put that in parentheses, minus, and then this one here, this one here is the same as this, but instead of a plus, put minus. So this will be a minus. So it'll be minus x squared minus 2xh plus h squared. Okay, and there should be a parentheses. Okay, now let's just, and it's all over 2h, and to save room, I'm not going to put the 2h yet. So let's clean this up. 4x plus 4h minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared. I'm distributing the negative. Now I'm going to distribute the negative for this. Well, let's just do this part first. So we get 4x minus 4h minus x squared plus 2xh minus h squared. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and distribute this negative. So let me copy this down again. Again, I still haven't put that yet. I'm trying to save some room. Now just negate this whole thing. Get minus 4x plus 4h plus x squared minus 2xh plus h squared. Now before we go on to the next slide, let's see what we can cancel out. These two cancel. This one doesn't. The x squares cancel. These two don't. The h squares cancel. So what we have left is we have 8h, because we have 4 here and 4 here. And then we have minus 2xh minus 2xh. So we have minus 4xh all over 2h. So 8h minus 4xh all divided by 2h. Let me make sure I wrote that right. Yes. All right. So what I want to do is factor out a h in the numerator. And I actually can factor out a 2h. Let's factor out 2h, because that's what we have here. And you get 4 minus 2x, all divided by 2h. These two cancel, and we're left with 4 minus 2x. If you want, you could factor out another 2 here and get 2 minus x. So either one of these could be the answer. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.